In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your Wix store with ease, whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your current setup. This session will guide you through the essential steps to get your online store up and running on your Wix site. Firstly, let's open the Wix editor. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left side menu and click on Add Elements. From there, navigate to Store and click on the button that says Add to Site. This step is crucial as it integrates a fully functional online store into your existing Wix site. Now, if you prefer an alternative method, you can also head over to your site's dashboard. From this centralized hub, click on Add Apps, then search for Wix stores. Click on Add to Site. Either of these methods will seamlessly incorporate all the necessary pages, like the product listings, the cart, the checkout, and of course, the thank you page, all of which are essential for a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Next, you'll want to move over to your Wix dashboard. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to manage every aspect of your store. Use the dashboard tools to design your store's appearance. You can customize fonts and colors to match your brand identity, creating a cohesive and visually striking storefront that speaks directly to your target audience. Arranging your products attractively is equally important, so take your time to decide on the best layout to showcase what you offer. Now, let's talk about adding products. Whether you are selling digital or physical items, you'll find the process intuitive. Use the dashboard to create new product entries and manage their inventory. It lets you keep track of stock levels, making it easier to avoid overselling. For digital products, you'll also configure exactly how they'll be delivered to your customers once a purchase is made. With products in place, go to the settings under the Wix Store's dashboard. Here, you'll configure critical operational components for your store. For instance, you'll set up shipping options, local delivery, and pickup solutions depending on how you plan to fulfill orders. Be mindful to configure your tax settings accurately to comply with applicable regulations and ensure everything you're collecting aligns with current tax laws. To complete setting up your store, choose the payment providers you'll use, enabling you to accept different forms of payment without a hitch. Whether it's credit card processing or other popular payment gateways, setting this up properly can significantly ease the checkout process for your customers. In addition to these points, take a moment to review any additional checkout and store settings available. These options will give you greater control over your store's functionality and operation, allowing for a seamless shopping experience that can enhance customer satisfaction and encourage repeat business. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a powerful, engaging Wix store that can help take your business to the next level.